What's up, guys? Today we'll talk about affiliate marketing, and I will show you how to quick start in affiliate marketing even if you do not have a website. So first of all, let me introduce you such platform called Blogger. So if you go to Google, type here Blogger, and you can see such platform. It's like you can create simple blog. It's ready-made platform. So if you go to click on create your blog, you can complete simple registration, and if you already got a Gmail account, you don't need to register. You can simply enter your email, password, log into your Gmail account, and you will see page like this. So here we can create as you can see, I already got some records here like this, and of course we can change these headlines, these texts. We can add banners, add more text, and here I will show you how we can create a simple product page and start attracting traffic to it. So first of all, when you are creating blog post, you should provide a name. So in my case, it's simply my name, jurifab.blogspot.com. In case if you are promoting, for example, product, for example, you are promoting Udemy coupon, or for example, you are promoting company called GetResponse. So what we can do, we can provide name like GetResponse review blogspot.com, or simply, and we can create reviews for GetResponse. And such website will be visible in Google. If people will go to Google and type get response review, your website will be visible on the first page. Of course, you can drive sales like this, and this works for every company. So if, for example, we can type here Udemy review, or I don't know, ClickBank, anything, any product, anything. So this is just example for what kind of name you can provide for your blogspot. Okay, so when this is completed, when your blog is ready, click on new post and start creating post here. So for example, we would like to promote I will promote my Udemy course. So here is the link for it. So I will promote this course. So I will provide name, profitable forex with risk control. So this will be my title. Here we'll type as well. Headline, bold, like this. We can change colors if you like. Okay, so here we can copy. I want to copy my course, paste it like this. Now I need to find image for this. Search in Google, images. Let's find some image. I like this one. Okay, let's copy this image, save it. Or I can simply not save it, but I can simply copy it like this. Go back to website, Blogger. Here it is, and let's add image. Oh no, not working, so let's save it first. Forex Okay, let's add image now. Okay, this one. Add selected. We can make it larger or original size. I'll make it like this. Now we need to create links. So here is my link. Of course, if you are promoting digital products or, for example, products from Clickbank, you should add everything what is related to your product. So I'm adding information about my product. So here I will select image, click on links, and provide link here. Click on done. On image, it will be redirected to my course page. Labels, it's like keywords here. You can do is type here keywords like forex course, forex trading, forex strategy. If you do not know how to get keywords ideas, simply open new incognito window, type here forex course, for example, scroll down. Okay, let's search. So here is usually keywords what you can use. Okay, well, you can use my plugin called keywords everywhere, and here you got ideas, keyword ideas. For example, forex course, some keywords. Let's add it as well. Training course, video courses, my courses. When you have added all keywords, I recommend you also create call to action button. So here everything is completed. Now let's add here call to action button. I already got one, like watch now. Let's add this button. Okay, let's click on image again. Here it is, so let's select it. Let's make it a smaller size. I will copy my link again and we'll add link properties, title text. Oh yeah, we can add alt text, it's good for SEO. Forex course, application options, link. Okay, everything is completed. Now let's click on save, publish. So check this out, how fast we have created such a product page, really fast. Okay, we need to change images, need to change links only here, because on a click it's working like this. Okay, here it is, and let's add link again. No follow attribute, you do not like to index it in Google. Okay, we have added. We can also click here if we would like to open link in new window. Okay, when done, let's click on update. Now let's check if it's working. On a click, yeah, it's redirecting to our course. Okay, so now what we need to do is we can simply copy this page and attract traffic to this page. Of course, we can also go to a website called MageNet. We can add your website here, and every time when it's like buying and selling links, and when your website starts receiving some views and become a little bit visible in Google, people will start buying links on your website. Everything what you need to do is paste link like this one, yes, somewhere on page or here, yes, and you'll start earning money like this. Okay, so this is number one, how you can profit your blogspot website. As well, you can add here affiliate links to other websites here, yes. In this page we will copy, go to website called Quora. First of all, you need to, of course, if you are new to Quora, you need to optimize your profile, add picture, add information here about what you do, follow some topics, add things what you know, yes. In case if you do not know how to work with Quora, I will put link in this video description and you can learn easily. And you need to start posting. So here is, you can see how many people view my content. So it's a really powerful tool to make money from Quora. So let's go to Quora and type here Forex. Let's find some Forex topic. For example, this one. Check this out, how many topics for Forex, and click on answer. And here are questions what we can answer. For example, let's answer this question like and paste link what we just created. When you are answering questions on Quora, make sure to create different links on different domains, and in this case it will not look so spammy. So in this case your account will be secure and you will start, and you can start posting here without any risk to losing your posts or your account. So when you will start posting like this, people will start visiting your websites. So key to success here is to create such pages on different domains by using different keywords here, and you will start seeing traffic and sales. So really easy. It's really easy strategy. You can multiply it for different products. So create different products, then go to this website, type here, for example, if you would like to promote, for example, hosting, type here hosting, click on search topics for hosting, click on answer, and check this out how many questions they got. Check this out how many related topics. So if you focus on one niche and will be expert there, you can really make good profits like this. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to check links if in the description what I will publish. If you are interested to learn how to become professional in Quora, how to get billion of views, how to convert this traffic, make sure to follow this link. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day.